Okay, so first of all, we will see whatever we have discussed yesterday, and about Nifty. Okay, first of all, we will see about Nifty. Yeah. So yesterday we thought this level, okay, this level could be the resistance. Here we thought this level could be the resistance in Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? So what happened? You can see here we got a resistance, right, at this level. This level is a resistance, but today we opened, okay, about to that and sustained. Okay, this is the 1 minute. Yeah, so actually what happened, you can see this on the opening, you can see it respected, okay, this resistance turned into the support, okay, from this swing, okay, and then as I told you at the time, we can target for this level already. It was completed, and there is almost 70 these hit 60 as a target for 250 or 260. Okay, so we are targeting for this, and even it respected so perfect. So as we can see as a data, okay, even today you can see the daily OI, okay, put writing is so aggressive, okay, and here you can see 17,700, 650, 600. These are in writing, okay, and you can see short covering is going on call side. So this is the potential, okay, of the bulls, and we have a good scope. Even tomorrow we can go long, okay, and you can see all in data. The put side is increasing, and this is fine. So intraday it's a kind of sideway only, because you can see the momentum is very slow. Okay, this is a slow momentum, and this is a good opportunity for the option writers to sell. You can see they created short positions, and they're not coming into the in the money and at the money, okay, but out the money they are easily selling it. So let's see what happening in Dow Jones. Few days back I said, okay, I already analyzed it. You might remember this chart, right? So this is what happening. You can see even the same thing, this demand zone, okay, bulls are entering, and at that point itself I said like this is one hammer, okay, and you can see some rejection transactions and follow up. So we have this right now, okay, this is the important level to sustain or to break this level to a new level, okay, 36,400. So let's try to see SGX also. So SGX February, okay, so it's almost trading 845, okay, 17,845, and here also it might be the same. Yeah, 848, perfect. So we can even open gap up tomorrow, okay. So only thing is Dow Jones. So this should respect, as per me, this level should respect, okay. So this is one kind of resistance. If this is going to break so good, then even we can expect some good momentum in Indian market, okay. And let's see Bank Nifty, okay. In Bank Nifty also we are having the higher highs and good momentum every day, okay. So even I posted yesterday levels, okay. So this zone, okay, every time this is a supply zone, but what happened exactly on the opening, we can see the bullish candle, okay, on the opening itself, and it's about to this range, okay. So now we can consider this, okay, resistance into the support, okay. Now we will change the color into the green. Now this turned into the support, and it's still respecting from this level, okay. We are analyzing from this level, and almost we have a rally of 1600 points right now, okay. And now it's exhausting, okay, it's taking a rest over here, you can see, okay. So what we can do in Bank Nifty, you can see it's overextended, okay. But if we're going to scan in 1 hour, even 1 hour range is got break into, and yeah, so we have exactly this as a resistance, and tomorrow this level should be uh, important, okay, 39,300, okay. This level is very important for upside move, but I think tomorrow we need to take some rest, I think so, okay, because you can see tomorrow is expiry, and also they might book some profit. Okay, they might book some profit, and might be we can see up to here. I'm hoping this. I don't know, but I'm hoping this can happen, because even it's on gap up. That is the only reason that my view is a bit off. Okay, because if there is a gap up, then directly we can touch this level. Okay, 40,000. We already expected this level. Uh, this is the level. Okay, 40,000. So if there's a gap up, then this bank nifty can take all the sellers and we can have a good short covering. So let's try to see what happened in Nifty 50. Okay, so today. Okay, so when we are going to talk about HDFC Bank, okay, this HDFC Bank we are analyzing from a few days, in fact, and every day I'm telling the same thing. It's in bullish, and you can see even our levels. I think HDFC Bank 559. Okay, so you can see I just already told you, like we can buy this up to this 527. Okay, and even this completely breaks. Okay, so we have a new levels right now. This is the upcoming level. Okay, 1547, and it's respecting the channel so good. So let's try to see. Yeah, so this could be the resistance level and profit booking level too. So if we are going to get any dip again, then we are going to be on a buy side only. Okay, so we have 13 and 1525, and this could be the resistance and the profit booking level too. Okay, so we have some stocks. AUB Bank. Yeah, so yesterday, as I said, we can target for 1387. Okay, so 1029. Okay, as I said, we can target for 1387. Even we got more than that. Okay, so I think you are in that, and you made some good profit over here. Okay, you can see it's almost at daily resistance right now. Okay, so if this breaks even, we can have further moves. Okay, so just try to focus this tomorrow. Okay, if we can get any pullbacks or else immediate breakout. So next in HDFC, Canara Bank. Okay, so Canara Bank, as I saying, as I'm saying every day, whoever is on a swing side, okay, whoever bought this on a swing side, he can make a good profit. You can see he's still respecting the level, and now you can see some sailing. Okay, some kind of sailing. Okay, it's taking a kind of rest, and now we need some pullback. Tomorrow, if you can get any sale off, then this is a good opportunity to buy again. Okay, so even we have multiple levels. Here we have 261. Here we have 250. Okay, so these two levels are so good to buy on swing. And Axis Bank, as I'm saying from a few days, and even I posted the target for this, and more than the target we got. You can see, as I mentioning from this level, in fact, to buy. Okay, you can see even this trend line is here. Okay, so you can see how many times it's respecting. It's a simple price action, but hope you people like this. Okay, so almost 805. Okay, so good move. So even if you can, if you want to get any pullback again at 780 RL 785, then it is a good buying again for you. Okay, the Jindal Steel, as I said yesterday, it's 837. Okay, so as I said, we can target Jindal Steel up to 420, right? So even you can see it's near to the 420, almost 418. Okay, so even if you have any if you bought this in intraday, you should sit in profit only. And interesting sir, Lata Labs. Okay. So this stock performed so good, and yeah, so we have this level. Okay, I thought this level can touch today, and it does, and we have this zone right now. Okay, so if we have a fresh breakout tomorrow, okay, above this 3,300, then you can buy a call. Okay, ATM call for the target of 3,400 to 3,500. Okay, in hourly you can see we have a rejection. Okay, I'm saying only about the breakout, not below to this. Okay, a small kind of trend is establishing over here. Okay, so only about the breakout. Here just ignore it because it's in a downtrend. It can be a retest too. So Infosys, as I'm saying, for investors from a few days, like to bottom fish this at this point, and you can see even today also this kind of doji hammer kind of thing. But even though if you can see it's a 137 points from this level. Okay, so it's moving so fine. We can have this level. Okay, this is the maximum level, 1800, first level. Okay, Tech Mahindra is also moving fine, and you can see it made a base. Yeah, so you can see the multiple dojis. Okay, transactions are going on, bulls are entering over here, so we will try to see any fresh breakout over here. Yeah, this is the resistance level for us. So if we can get any breakout, okay, above this, then we can target for 15 20 30. Okay, 1530 to 1550. Okay, so don't buy below this. Okay, and IndusInd also, IndusInd Bank, as I yesterday said, we stuck in a range. Okay, that range breaks today. Okay, as I said yesterday, we stuck in a range, right? So that range just breaks today, and this stock got a good potential. Okay, I thought 1000 for this, but yeah, here 1023 and 993. Okay, two levels we have. So you can see what we can do tomorrow. We'll buy this on a retest. Okay, because breakout sometimes it might fail. We'll try to buy this on a retest. So we have first level 930. Okay, and 940. Okay, so 940 to 930 is a good buying level. If you want to buy on a dip, then you can buy this. Okay, so don't try breakout, already it's extended, so might be some correction will happen over there, but the maximum target is 993 and 1023. Okay, so yeah, so we'll try to see like today PSU banks perform so well. Indian Bank. Yeah, so it's trying to break its structure, and you can see this trend line. Okay, there's a breakout, and this is the good volume. Okay, a good candle size also. So bulls are entering over here, and they are targeting up to this level. Okay, 178. So let's try to find some good level to buy. Yeah, so we can have this at two levels. We have 160 and 153. Okay, so you can even buy at this level, or else you can buy at 155. Okay, so these are the two levels that you can do a pullback buying for tomorrow. Okay, over this level, try to spread the quantity if you're not going to get it. And the bank, private banks, IndusInd Bank perform well. We did. Okay, AUB, Kotak, Kotak. Okay, so it's stuck in a range. Okay, so one fresh candle is over here, but we'll try to ignore this mostly. But if we can get any fresh breaks, then only we try to consider this. Okay, 1960 or 70. Okay, this is the important level for this to break and to get up to 2060. Okay, so above this, try to focus this stop. So let's try to see 52-week high stocks. AUB Bank we discussed. Power India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank we discussed. Okay, so almost we discussed this, and okay, the stock is moving fine actually. Can Fin Home. So you can see I already analyzed this stock in a EOD, but I don't remember it properly, but I did this. Yeah, you can see this trend lines. So we have a breakout good levels and trend line. Okay, so if we can get this at 640, okay, 640, 645, then you can go long, okay, on intraday only. For the target again at 670, and extended target would be on 697. Okay, so these are the very important levels for this. Okay, 670 and a breakout level, and pullback buying level is 645. Okay, so FI DIs, like DIs are positive. Even today we got over here, yeah, positive, DI are positive. Okay, they are positive, and FI is selling, but they are like not selling much these days. Okay, that is also a good sign. So like a bullish scan for next day, we have a few stocks. Yeah, so yeah, we discussed Bank of Baroda, Biocon Limited. Let's try to see this, and Biocon Limited. So it's at daily resistance. Okay, so let's try to wait because it's at resistance. So okay, we will ignore this. Okay, we done almost. So if you have any specific stock that you want me to uh, analyze, then you can tell me.